Exploring the $10 dream. Dogecoin, a cryptocurrency that started as a joke, has captured the imagination of millions. From its humble beginnings as a meme to its current status as a serious contender in the crypto market, Dogecoin's journey has been nothing short of extraordinary. Could Dogecoin, the meme coin that took the world by storm, really reach $10? This question has sparked countless debates and discussions across social media platforms, financial news outlets, and even among celebrities. The idea of Dogecoin reaching such a milestone seems far-fetched to some, but to others, it's a real possibility. It's a question that has both seasoned crypto veterans and curious newcomers buzzing. The cryptocurrency market is known for its volatility, and Dogecoin is no exception. Its price has seen dramatic rises and falls, often influenced by tweets from high-profile individuals and sudden market shifts. As someone who's been deeply involved in the cryptocurrency space for years, I'm here to unpack the arguments, analyze the predictions, and explore the factors that could propel Dogecoin to new heights or send it tumbling back down to earth. We'll look at market trends, investor sentiment, and the technological developments that could impact Dogecoin's future. The journey of Dogecoin is a roller coaster ride, filled with unexpected twists and turns. While some investors are optimistic, believing that Dogecoin's community and widespread adoption could drive its value up, others are more cautious, pointing to the inherent risks and uncertainties in the crypto market. Buckle up because we're diving into the exciting, volatile, and sometimes unpredictable world of Dogecoin. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just curious about the hype, this journey promises to be an enlightening exploration of one of the most talked about cryptocurrencies today. So let's get started and see if Dogecoin really has what it takes to reach the moon. Right now, in January 2025, Dogecoin finds itself at a crossroads. The cryptocurrency, which started as a joke, has evolved into a serious player in the digital financial market. Its journey has been nothing short of extraordinary, filled with dramatic highs and lows that have kept both investors and casual observers on the edge of their seats. It's no longer the fresh-faced newcomer riding a wave of internet hype. Dogecoin has grown up, and with that growth comes a new set of challenges and opportunities. The memes and jokes that once defined it are now part of a rich history that has shaped its unique identity. The market has matured, and with that maturity comes a healthy dose of skepticism. Investors are no longer just looking for the next big thing, they are scrutinizing every move, every trend, and every piece of news that could impact Dogecoin's value. This scrutiny has led to a more volatile market, where every piece of information can cause significant price swings. We're seeing a stark divergence in expert opinions. Some believe that Dogecoin has the potential to reach new heights, driven by its strong community and increasing adoption in various sectors. Others, however, are more cautious, pointing to the inherent risks and the possibility of regulatory crackdowns that could stifle its growth. Some analysts are pointing to the $10 mark as a very real possibility, citing factors such as increased institutional interest and technological advancements that could boost its utility and value, while others are bracing for a potential dip to 27 cents. They argue that the market is oversaturated and that Dogecoin's value is inflated by speculative trading rather than fundamental strengths. This uncertainty is reflected in Dogecoin's current trading price, which has been fluctuating wildly in recent weeks. The price swings are a testament to the divided sentiment among investors and the unpredictable nature of the cryptocurrency market, which has been fluctuating wildly in recent weeks. As we move forward, the key question remains: will Dogecoin solidify its place as a legitimate financial asset, or will it remain a volatile, speculative investment? Only time will tell, but one thing is certain: the journey of Dogecoin is far from over, and the waves of uncertainty will continue to shape its path. So, what's fueling the bullish sentiment? The cryptocurrency market has been on a roller coaster ride, but recently, there's been a noticeable shift towards a more optimistic outlook. Investors and analysts alike are buzzing with excitement, and the reasons behind this surge are multifaceted. The most optimistic analysts point to Dogecoin's growing adoption as a legitimate form of payment. This isn't just a passing trend, it's a significant development that could reshape the financial landscape. Dogecoin, which started as a joke, has now found its way into the mainstream, being accepted by a variety of businesses. More and more businesses, both online and brick and mortar, are accepting Dogecoin, increasing its utility and real-world use cases. From small local shops to large online retailers, the acceptance of Dogecoin is growing. This increased utility is not just about convenience, it represents a shift in how people perceive and use digital currencies. This growing acceptance, combined with the unwavering support of a passionate online community, is creating a powerful narrative of growth. Social media platforms are buzzing with discussions about Dogecoin, and this online community plays a crucial role in its adoption. The community's enthusiasm and support are not just about hype, they are driving real-world changes and adoption. Some experts believe that if this momentum continues, and if Dogecoin can successfully shed its meme coin image, $10 is not just a pipe dream, but a very real possibility. The journey from a meme to a mainstream currency is not easy, but with the current trends and support, Dogecoin is on a promising path. The future of Dogecoin looks bright, and its potential is being recognized by more and more people every day. Financial news outlets are increasingly covering Dogecoin, highlighting its rise and potential. Interviews with cryptocurrency experts often feature discussions about Dogecoin's future, and the consensus is that it has a lot of room to grow. This media attention is further fueling the bullish sentiment as more people become aware of Dogecoin's potential. Everyday transactions using Dogecoin are becoming more common. From buying coffee to paying for services, people are finding new ways to use Dogecoin in their daily lives. The introduction of Dogecoin ATMs is also making it easier for people to access and use this cryptocurrency, further driving its adoption. The Dogecoin community is also organizing events, meetups, and conferences to promote its use and educate people about its benefits. These events are not just about networking, they are about building a stronger, more informed community that can drive the adoption of Dogecoin even further. Looking at the charts, Dogecoin's price history shows a pattern of growth that many believe will continue. Predictions for future growth are optimistic, with some analysts forecasting significant increases in value. This optimism is based on the growing acceptance, community support, and real-world use cases that Dogecoin is building. Online forums and articles are filled with discussions about Dogecoin's potential. People are sharing their experiences, predictions, and strategies for investing in Dogecoin. This collective knowledge and enthusiasm are contributing to the bullish sentiment, as more people see the potential for growth and success with Dogecoin. On the flip side, we have the bears, who caution against getting swept up in the hype. Their argument is grounded in the inherent volatility of the cryptocurrency market. Dogecoin, they argue, lacks the technological innovation and fundamental value proposition of other cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Its price, they claim, is largely driven by speculation and social media frenzy, making it highly susceptible to market manipulation and sudden crashes. A significant market correction, they warned, could easily send Dogecoin plummeting to 27 cents or even lower. Section 5. Beyond the charts, the X factors, shaping Dogecoin's destiny. While technical analysis and market predictions offer valuable insights, it's crucial to remember the external forces at play. The cryptocurrency market doesn't exist in a vacuum. Global economic conditions, regulatory changes, and even celebrity endorsements can have a significant impact on Dogecoin's price. For example, a single tweet from Elon Musk could send Dogecoin soaring or crashing down. This unpredictable nature makes it even more challenging to predict Dogecoin's future with certainty. Section 6. So, $10 or bust, you decide. So, will Dogecoin reach $10? The truth is, no one knows for sure. Both the bulls and the bears make compelling arguments. What's undeniable is that Dogecoin has captured the imagination of millions and ignited a global conversation about the future of finance. Whether you're a seasoned investor or a curious onlooker, one thing is clear: Dogecoin's journey is far from over. Section 7. Join the crypto conversation. What are your thoughts on Dogecoin's future? Do you think it has the potential to reach $10, or are you more inclined towards the bearish predictions? Share your opinions in the comments below. Let's keep the conversation going. Section 8. Until next time, navigating the crypto frontier. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of Dogecoin's potential. Remember, the cryptocurrency world is constantly evolving, and staying informed is key. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell to stay up to date on the latest crypto predictions, market insights, and more.